Hey guys, welcome to Woodzman Adventures. I'm just out for a little back roads ride today, and I have another question. I like asking the questions because it kind of gets you guys interactive in the videos to answer the questions, and it seems like everybody likes it because I get lots of comments when I do this. So the question I have this time is, I think my last one I made was, why do you ride a dual sport? Okay, today I just want to know, it's basically for the Honda CRF250L owners on this one. Why did you choose a Honda CRF250L? What was your number one reason? Now, I'll give my number one reason. My number one reason is, as I explained in my last video too, number one reason is because it's a Honda, and the price, you know, the price, you can't beat the price for a good bike, dual sport. You can ride it on the street, you can ride it on the dirt, you can ride it anywhere you want. It's super good dependability because it's a Honda. Not that the other brands ain't, they are too. Everything's pretty much good anymore, no matter what you ride. They build them all good. But why did you choose the Honda CRF250L? Your number one reason. So comment below on that and let me know. I know a lot of people chose it for different reasons. A lot of people's price, and a lot of people because they're beginners and they didn't want something with a lot of power. And some people might chose it because of looks, because to me it is a great looking bike. I mean, the CRF250L is a sharp looking bike. So is the Yamaha WR. So is the KLX. They all look good. KTMs look good. Dual sports look good basically because to me they look the most like a motocross bike. And I have nothing against the Honda CRF250L Rally. One of the reasons I didn't choose a Rally this last time, just because to me it don't look like a dirt bike. It looks like a rally version. It don't look like a motocross bike, I should say. And I like the motocross look. This thing looks like a lot like a Honda CRF450 or a CRF250. It looks like a Honda CR. So comment below what's your number one reason why did you choose a Honda CRF250L. Thank y'all for watching. Subscribe to my channel. Click the thumbs up on this video. Subscribe, please. Also, if you're looking for CRF250L parts, check out below in my description to my Amazon store. Also, if you buy Nelson Rig stuff like my tank bag, any of the Nelson Rig stuff, I have a discount code for Nelson Rig. You get free shipping. Anything over 50 bucks, I think it is, free shipping and a good discount. So it's definitely the best place to buy Nelson Rig luggage. And Nelson Rig is super quality. Right on, guys.